Use the hex key to remove the keypad and cover plate from the casing. On the inside handle, unscrew the blue screw and fit it into the adjacent hole. Switch the keypad and cover plate round. Secure the keypad and cover plate using the hex key. And that's it, you've successfully changed the handing. Continue watching to see how to install the handles onto the keypad. Remove the rubber cover from the handle. Next, unscrew the screw using the hex key and place the handle to face opposite the latch thread and fore-end plate. Then secure the handle using the hex key, making sure the rubber cover is placed back on the handle. You can now install the lock using the standard fitting instructions.